Everyone thinks the best-selling wireless weather forecast station is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Nuantor Wireless Weather Station. First up is the Nuantor Weather Station, priced at $45.99. What caught my attention? It's got this massive 7.5 LCD screen that makes it super easy to read. If you want a reliable way to track temperature and humidity changes in your home, this is worth a serious look. It supports up to 3 remote sensors, so you can monitor different locations at once. Plus, it gives you a personalized weather forecast for the next 24 hours, which is really handy if you're planning outdoor activities. With over 21,700 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's clearly a favorite among users. Now, some people complain that setting it up can be a bit tricky if you're not tech-savvy. But here's the thing, once you get through that initial setup, it's smooth sailing. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, reliable weather station that doesn't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something with advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity. Alright, if the setup hassle bothered you, this next one might be even better for a more user-friendly experience. Product number 2, Dream Sky Weather Station. Next up, we have the Dream Sky Weather Station, which comes in at $33.99. The first thing that catches your eye is its colorful large display, making it super easy to read from a distance. If you need something that's simple yet effective, this is definitely worth checking out. It even has a built-in atomic clock that adjusts for daylight savings automatically. Plus, with a 4.3-star rating from over 2,600 reviews, it's another popular choice. The USB charging port is a bonus, making it convenient to keep everything powered up. However, some users mention that the battery backup could be better, especially during power outages. But honestly, if you keep it plugged in, it works flawlessly. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and easy-to-read weather station. Skip this if you need more advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity. Now, if customizable alerts are your thing, you'll want to hear about our next option. Product number 3, Sanelogic Smart Wi-Fi Weather Station. Coming in at $119.99 is the Sanelogic Smart Wi-Fi Weather Station. What stood out for me? It's got Wi-Fi capability that allows you to connect to the WeatherSeed app for 24/7 monitoring. If you're serious about keeping tabs on the weather, this is a game changer. This station not only tracks temperature and humidity, but also monitors wind speed and rainfall precision. You can even export 2 years of weather data for analysis, which is fantastic for gardening or farming. The high-contrast display is easy to read, making it user-friendly for everyone. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, it's well received in the market. That said, some users found the setup a bit complicated, but once you're past that, it's a breeze. This is ideal for those who want detailed weather insights and are willing to invest a bit more. Skip this if you just want basic weather readings without any frills. If you're looking for something a bit more affordable but still robust, stick around for our next pick. Product number 4, Nuantor Color Display Weather Station. Next on the list is another Nuantor model, this one priced at $33.99. The large color display immediately grabs your attention. If you want an affordable option with essential features, this is definitely worth a look. This station shows you indoor and outdoor temperature, humidity levels, and even barometric pressure in a clear and straightforward manner. You'll appreciate the customizable alerts for temperature changes, which keep you informed about the weather in real time. With over 21,700 reviews and a rating of 4.3 stars, it's clearly popular for good reason. However, some users noted that it doesn't have Wi-Fi capabilities, which might be a drawback for some. But let's be real. If you're just looking for a reliable weather forecast without needing to connect to your phone, this is an excellent choice. This is perfect for you if you want something budget-friendly yet functional. Skip this one if smart features are a must for you. Now, if you want a station with more advanced features, the last one is definitely intriguing. Product number 5, La Crosse Technology Weather Station. Finally, we have the La Crosse Technology Weather Station, priced at $68.91. This one's a head-turner with its customizable alerts and large display. If you're looking to invest a bit more for added features, this could be your best bet. This station offers detailed readings for indoor and outdoor temperatures along with humidity levels. It even includes a heat index and dew point, which is great for understanding comfort levels. With a 4.4-star rating from 22,100 reviews, it's a trusted choice. Some users did mention that it can be a bit sensitive to calibration, which was a slight frustration. But here's the thing. As long as you're willing to invest a little time in getting it set up right, the payoff is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want comprehensive weather data and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this if you're after something simpler. To wrap it all up, each of these weather stations has its strengths. Whether you want something budget-friendly, feature-rich, or easy to read, there's an option here that fits your needs. To sum it up, we've looked at a range of wireless weather forecast stations, from the budget-friendly Nuantor to the feature-rich Sandlogic. Each of them caters to different needs, whether you prioritize price, ease of use, or advanced features. So pick the one that feels right for you and stay prepared for whatever weather comes your way.